Hey guys, it's Dustin, and today I wanted to talk about some of the plans for the future of this channel, some of my goals for 2022, and also there's a announcement towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. 2022, I'm really excited about it. As you guys see in the last video, I started a new project. I've actually been working on it for a while, but it's the project that I chose to take as far as possible, as far as I possibly can, and hopefully by the end of the year have a solid demo to show off. And I'm really excited to work on this project. It's a ton of fun. It's one of those projects that there's not a lot of technical challenges with it, so it means that I can just pour myself into it. I can just create a world, and that's what I'm planning on doing. So I'm planning on making more videos. So stay tuned, going over just creating that game, some of the stuff that I did in the game engine, and also just in general, more videos on the NIM programming language, and NIM when it comes to game development. I've been a big fan of NIM for a while. It's gotten to the point where it's very stable. It's very and you can be very productive with it. And I've been having a lot of fun building games with it. And I think it's an excellent language for for the future once it becomes a little bit more popular for new people to pick up. With the Python-esque syntax and everything like that. It makes a really interesting choice. So I'm planning on creating a lot more content revolving around NIM, revolving around Raylib, using them together. Planning on creating that Lua tutorial series. It's one that I've been working on for a long time, but I keep running into some hurdles with it. But hopefully this year I'll be able to release that entire series, something that's up to date, a lot better than my old tutorial series. And yeah, I think finally the biggest announcement is there's going to be a new face on the channel. So a lot of you guys don't know this, but when I actually went from a lot of you guys don't know that I used to be named Razor Game Dev, and then I transitioned over to SkyVaultGames. During that time, I was actually planning on having this channel be collaborative. It was supposed to be a channel that we all my friends, my brother, my cousin, we would all collaborate on making videos on the games that we create. And that's always been my goal, but life kind of got in the way. We all moved thousands of miles away, and it never really happened. And so I basically just took on the name for myself and just kept the channel going. But we're finally at a point where we're both ready to really push on the channel, and when I say we, I mean my cousin Austin. He's gonna be creating some new content for the channel. I'm really excited to bring him on board because he has a really deep understanding of game architecture, game design. He went through his own. He's getting a master's in it. He should be able to bring a really excellent perspective, and I'm really excited to see the tutorials and the videos that he creates. So yeah, expect a lot more collaboration on the channel, new people. With all that being said, I'm going to send it over to Austin. He's going to give his introduction and show off what he's all about. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for that great introduction, Dustin. I'm really excited to be here on the channel, hoping to bring some of my experience to it to help teach people a little bit more about game development and about game architecture. I got my bachelor's degree in game development, and I'm getting my master's in game design. I'm hoping to utilize that to help teach people a little bit more about my experience in different game development environments using C++, DirectX, Unity, C#, and so on. I have a real big passion for game development, very big passion for things such as retro games and also retro game development, hoping to bring a lot of interesting information and education to people about those types of things. As Dustin mentioned, we're both cousins, and so we know each other pretty well. So we're pretty well established in each other's different styles of either programming and also video creation. So we're really excited to get together and actually start working on these projects together and bring them to you guys. I really encourage you guys to if you want to see the DirectX tutorials that are going to be coming out soon, those will be coming out today. So we're going to be getting our first Windows tutorial today, and that'll be the start to a DirectX series to learn how to create your own game engine in DirectX. So I encourage you guys to subscribe and get in on that, and so you can start watching our tutorials and we're getting real excited about it, and we hope you are too. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.